Hi everyone, Rhiannon here. I hope you have had a wonderful week. And thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule to join me here for Just Magic's Funday Friday session. Well, it is only 5 weeks until the girls and I head down to Sydney, where we are going to our big gala events. Hi Mia, how are you going? Thanks for joining me. We're heading down to the Australian Beauty Industry Awards. While we're in Sydney, we're also heading to the DMK Celebration Dinner and DMK Awards Night. We're going to check out the International Beauty Expo as well and see what's the latest and greatest in the beauty industry. And we're also going to be spending a day with Danae Montague King, the founder of DMK himself. So it is a huge event that we are going to, and I've got to be honest with you, we're exactly the same as you guys when it comes to, you know, wanting to look fabulous for special occasions. So the girls and I have actually been preparing our skin. We've been following the 4 P's of skin. Now, anyone that caught our session last Friday would know exactly what I'm talking about there. But if you missed it, feel free to go back and watch the replay, or you can even jump on our website and head to our blog page and have a read there. But we have been looking after our skin, and one thing that we have definitely been incorporating in our preparatory treatments before our big event is our brand new piece of equipment, which is our LED machine. And we have been seeing phenomenal results with this. We introduced the piece of equipment probably about a month or 2 months ago, and even our clients that are having it done are, you know, really happy with the results that they're seeing. So we still get a few frequently asked questions about LEDs. So what I thought I'd do today for our Funday Friday session is just run over LED briefly for you so that you had a little bit more understanding. And then also we have a very special offer for all of you as well. So with LED, it works, LED stands for light emitting diode. And what it actually does is it works perfectly on all skin conditions. So it works great when we're looking for really rapid results with the skin, when we're looking at really making a quick change within the skin as a series of treatments in combination with other skin treatments and then as standalone treatments. So usually we're doing 2 treatments of LED a week, whether it's combined with another skin treatment and then a standalone treatment for 4 weeks, and that works brilliantly on skin concerns like acne, age management, also rosacea, and also pigmentation as well. But the other thing I love about the LED treatments is that if you're at a stage where your skin is at a maintenance level, you just want to keep it fresh, you just want to keep the functionality working at the right rate and rhythm, then it works also really well as just a maintenance treatment to have once a month. So how LED actually works on the skin is it in each of the cells within the skin, you have a mitochondria, which is like the battery pack of the cell. And when exposed to these LED lights, that actually charges up that battery so that we're able to get better oxygen, better nutrients uptake by the cells, better waste removal from those cells as well, and then just an overall better functionality of the skin. Now, you guys know that here at Just Magic Skincare Clinic that we believe in working on those foundations of the skin so that we can have that longevity of results. You know, if we're just working on the surface of the skin, what generally happens is the skin cells shed away and exfoliate from the surface of the skin, and then you have that reoccurring problem. So we're finding LED to be fantastic. Mia, I've loved my LEDs. Thank you for investing. Our pleasure, Mia. Anything for our clients to get you guys the results. And hi, Janine, as well. Yes, looking forward to Sydney. So that's actually how LED works on the skin. So with our LED machine that we have, it has 3 different lights. So we have blue, which works exceptionally with acne. So it works with sterilizing the skin. It controls the active breakout within the skin. It controls the oil flow within the skin and helps to prevent further breakouts. And it also, because it's light therapy, it's able to penetrate into the skin and reduce that inflammation out of the skin so that you get that real clear skin, you get that clarity back in the skin. It works well on fighting that P. acnes bacterium, which we know is one component that contributes to breakouts. So then we have our red and our near infrared. So it was really important when we were looking at a piece of machinery for LED to make sure that it had that near infrared setting on it. And the reason for that is that we live in the tropics. We live in Mackay. We're all out in the sun a little bit more. It's a little bit harsher here. And how that works is it works just like the red light, but when we apply red to the surface of the skin, if it comes across like melanin or pigment within the skin, then the energy will actually refract back out of the skin, not be able to penetrate down deep enough to create that change within the skin. So we're really happy to be able to, have that variety of those different settings to be able to work on all skin colors as well. So with red and near infrared, it really reduces the inflammation out of the skin. It actually helps to stimulate that circulatory and lymphatic system. It also reduces oxygenated stress within the skin as well, fighting those free radicals. And it gives this beautiful tightness and firmness to the skin because it helps to build that collagen, but it also works on tightening those facial muscles of the face and neck as well. So it's absolutely beautiful for that real rejuvenation of the skin. So the treatments themselves take, when you're under the light itself, take around 10 to 20 minutes to perform. So this treatment is brilliant. Like with your standalone treatments, it would probably be about 30 minutes all up. And for those it's brilliant for those people who are a little bit time poor. You're able to come in on your lunch break and have these treatments done. The other thing that's exceptional about it as well is that it's totally non-invasive to the skin. There is no downtime with these treatments. So you can easily come in, have the treatment done and go back out and continue on with your life with no one actually knowing any different but seeing those changes within the skin. It's totally safe. There's no UV used at all with these treatments. And what we find is most people will have a little bit of a snooze while they're under there. It's that comfortable. The panels that we use actually cover right from the forehead right down over the neck and décolletage, and they cover right from the sides of the face right around. And that was another important thing for us to look when we were looking at machinery, because we know that for LED to work effectively on the skin, it works like medicine really. You need the right dosage of energy supplied to the skin for the right amount of time, and it also needs to be very even. We don't want to be missing areas of the skin. It's a brilliant treatment to have done, and you're getting that full coverage of the skin as well. So it really is one of the treatments that is, or the best kept secret actually for the beauty and cosmetic industry. It's one of the ones that has been out for a little while there, but it really is one of the treatments that is probably not utilized enough when we're looking at getting the skin to function really well and get it happy and healthy and vibrant. So, for our little special that we have for you, our little offer for August, we know what it's like when you come across something new and you're not quite sure what it's about or how it's going to feel for the skin. So what we're doing for the month of August is, if you book in for any of our advanced treatments, so that's any DMK skin treatments, our skin needling treatments, hydrofacials, microdermabrasions, we are actually going to give you a complimentary LED skin boosting treatment. So with that, we may be doing it prior to your treatment, just before, we may be completing it during the treatment, or we may be doing it post-treatment. And with some clients, depending on the objective that we're trying to achieve with the skin, there might be a time when you need to come in maybe 2 or 3 days after to have a standalone treatment, because we want you to get the very best results from trying this brilliant and phenomenal piece of equipment out for yourselves. So if you are interested in trying out LED for yourself, if you want to know what it feels like, if you want to know the results and see the benefits for yourself, feel free to give us a call or send us a message here at Just Magic Skincare Clinic. And also guys, if you have any questions about LED or any of our treatments, feel free to type it in the comments box. We would be happy to help you out. So that's it from me, guys. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and really look forward to seeing you in the clinic soon. Bye for now.